right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you're able to transfer your current WordPress blog over to the Showit platform. This way you can seamlessly have your blog and your website hosted in the same area. The blogs are still going to be WordPress blogs, but essentially what will happen is because you are going to be hosting your website with Showit, you'll have access to make any changes to your blog's website or web pages directly in the Showit platform, and Showit will go ahead and migrate your WordPress blog so that you're able to access it in the admin, and it's all hooked up to Showit seamlessly. So the best way to do this, first of all, because I do offer blog web pages, I highly recommend that you sign up with a Showit, at least a Showit basic blog. And you can see right here, it's the one that's $24 a month. That's the essential that you need in order to use those blog pages that are included in the template. If you prefer, you can also sign up for the Showit advanced blog, and I'll cover exactly what makes that these two different. But let's go ahead and talk about the basic blog first. So with the basic blog, in order to transfer your WordPress blog over to Showit, what you'll have to do is reach out to the team. And you can always do that by clicking on these bubbles. It'll pop up, and what you would do is start a new conversation and go ahead and just simply say, hey, I'd like to have my current WordPress blog transferred over to my Showit account. Can you do it? They'll respond back fairly quickly within a few hours, and they'll say yes, and they'll ask you for the information that they need in order to get it done. So it's very easy. You have a really great support system behind you that'll pretty much do all of it for you, and it's just a waiting process for you. Now, with the basic blog, which is the $24 a month, keep in mind, it says right here, there's a simple migration. So they're able to transfer up to 50 of your blog posts and any images or comments that come with them. But the plugins, if you have any plugins that you use for WordPress, they are not transferred. So just keep that in mind, that you're looking at up to 50 blogs posts being transferred over. If you have more than that, we'll take a look at the advanced blog and see if that would make any difference. So let's go ahead and click on that for you. And so right here it selects the $34, and let's see. With the advanced migration, you get a full transfer from your hosted WordPress of all blog posts. Awesome. So if you have more than 50 blog posts and say you've been blogging for some years, definitely go ahead and go with the $34 a month option. That way you don't lose any of your hard work on blog posts. And then it also will transfer the images, the comments, custom plugins, and WordPress settings to the Showit server. All right, and let's see here. It says Squarespace or WordPress.com sites only offer a simple migration of posts, images, and comments. So keep that in mind also. If you have Squarespace and a WordPress.com site, you will only be limited to the 50 blog post transfer as well. So that's something to be mindful of. But that's exactly how you transfer over your blog. It's very easy. You're not the one actually doing it, which is the amazing thing about the Showit platform. I don't think I've ever dealt with any platform that has such a supportive and involved team that's so willing to go above and beyond to help you out. I've had Wix accounts, I've had Squarespace accounts, I've had GoDaddy accounts, and I can honestly tell you no one has ever been as helpful as far as setting up the websites. And to be quite honest, if you see I'm over here, if you go to the actual dashboard, if you click on down here, the view help docs, that's exactly where I'm at. And when I tell you, this is fully equipped where basically any question that you have, it has an article for it that teaches you step by step how to get it done. It's amazing. So definitely make sure you take full advantage of this resource. But that's how you would transfer your WordPress blog. If you have any questions, head over to the Facebook support community and ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist. Or you can email me at hello@bwpdesignstudio.com.